What the fuck?
May coins ako ba yung nakuha?
Ayun no, you can...
Need pa one.
You need to
One
drop
more.
it there. Nawala na yung kupal. I think we need...
going.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Okay. It's not the point. Or we... fuck it, bro. We need to stick together. Oh, you fucking lived? You that fucking long?
Gago ka.
Don't close. Oy! Ay,
Silas lang
gago!
yan boy. Pag dumilim.
Uy! Who the fuck? Uy! Okay.
Dito ako.
Ito ba yun?
Dito. Dito ka niya ako. Isa ako.
Ha?
Oh, get this. I dropped the fucking coins. You need to figure it out,
Oo
Rado.
nga. Oo, kung saan. Hindi natin alam kung
Oh, go,
anong
go,
direction
go.
punta natin eh.
Right,
Sa right side.
right.
Sa exit side.
Okay.
Ito, dito.
Ito.
Dude.
Boy, wag ka. Green.
Go.
Green na yung red light area.
Okay, sure.
Tama.
Move, bro! You're getting off the fucking bed! You're fucking too slow, man! I'm way faster than you!
Good chance.
Dude!
Ito boy, ubo. Ay, di.
Dito.
5. Try natin wag talaga gumalaw kahit mag-look.
Ikaw yung gumagalaw! Tanga ka eh!
Hindi, tangina mo first time yan, gago. Ano missing string?
Ayun no? Missing string.
The fuck are you saying?
Bro, can you read that shit? Do you know how to read? Are you...
Ano missing string? Jackpot?
Are you illiterate?
Jackpot 900 na.
The fucking LED that
Oo,
says
wala.
missing string. Oh, you're retarded. Tara. So what now? Oh, tanga. Patay kang kupal ka. Sino to? So if I remember good, king. So if I do the fucking parkour shit, ano? Bibigyan ba tayo tickets? Oh, walang stamina. What the fuck? Putang! Nasa last room. Tang ina mo! I need to conserve my stamina. We're gonna do this all day, bro. We're gonna do this all day. This fucking black holes. Di ka mamatay. Shut your... Oh, what the fuck? I'm back here? What the fuck? Why? I don't have a fucking key. Yeah, I'm dead. Okay. We go. Now move. Ah! We go. You can eat that shit. Party hat. Ano to? Pag sinuot ko ba to? I will be immune? Nope. Uy! Araw sa taas. Oo nga, no? Ah! Tapos si Kalin?
Paano naging walit tayo?
Oo.